Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to set up free tier AWS account. So let's jump into the browser and then I will let you know the steps to set up the free tier AWS account. So what you need to do, you need to go to the google.com and here you will search for AWS free tier account. And here you need to click on the first link, that is AWS free tier. So we are into the page of AWS free tier account. From here we will create the free tier account. But prior to creating the free tier, I wanted to let you know that what are the offers which we are getting in free tier. With free tier account, you will be getting Amazon EC2 750 hours per month. Along with that, you will be also getting Amazon S3 5 GB of storage. AWS also offering us Amazon RDS 750 hours of DB instances. We are also getting a space for NoSQL database, that is DynamoDB of Amazon, and there are various services which is being offered within AWS free tier account. So if you wanted to learn any of the service, Amazon provided that services within a free tier. For example, if you have a requirement to learn the capability of machine learning within AWS, then AWS also provided Amazon SageMaker, where you can build your machine learning models and deploy those models. And for the first 2 months, it is free for 250 hours. And they are offering T2 medium notebook usage. So now to register for free tier account, you need to go up and here you will find a button called create a free account. You need to click over here and it will take you to the sign up page. So here you will provide the email address, password and confirm your password and what the AWS account name you want to keep. So all the steps are self-explanatory. While doing the registration, it will ask you for the credit card or debit card. It also accepting the debit card. Once you complete the sign up process, then you need to come to the browser and visit this site console.aws.amazon.com, and from here you need to specify the email address and the password which you have been set up. So here you need to specify your email address and then click on next. And once you provided the registered email and password, then you will land into AWS Management Console, and here you will get all those services which we are going to learn in the upcoming session. So it is very straightforward process. One more important thing, whenever you are doing a sign up, you will get the verification call from AWS, and once they verify it, your account will be accessible. And once you get the access, now you are ready to play with the resources of AWS. So on this note, I am stopping this session and see you in the next session where we will start learning about these services. So till then, bye bye, take care.